What is digital marketing? What is a digital marketing consultant? I'll answer both of those questions and more in this video, so stick around for the answers. Side note, if you want to skip to a specific section of the video, check out the timestamps in the video description. Digital marketing is an effective way to promote your business online. Not only do you have access to more audience and customer insights than ever before, but you also have so many options when you're ready to create or update your strategy. Whether you hire a digital marketing team or handle things on your own, you can take advantage of everything the internet has to offer to promote your business, which is a lot. Let's start with the basics. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a form of business promotion that uses a variety of strategies, which I'll get into in just a moment, to reach people on the internet. While traditional marketing campaigns use offline advertising formats like television, radio, and newspaper ads, digital marketing uses online channels like social media and search engines to communicate with consumers. Common digital marketing strategies used by digital marketing consultants are search engine optimization, which focuses on different tactics that help your website appear in search engines like Google or Bing. Content marketing, which means using different forms of content like videos, blog posts, downloadable guides, and graphics to reach your audience across the web. Email marketing, which is communicating with potential customers through email content like a weekly newsletter or automated drip campaigns. Social media marketing, which uses platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to engage with audiences. Digital advertising, which means targeting specific audiences with paid online ads. Marketing automation, which uses technology to automate different marketing tasks. Web design and development, which are focused on creating, maintaining, and updating websites that create great experiences for web users. While you may not need to do every single one of those tactics, our digital marketing team would highly recommend you try some of them, or update your current digital marketing strategy. You can learn more about each tactic I mentioned in our YouTube channel and on our website. If you don't have a lot of free time to manage your digital campaigns, or you want to try something new but don't know how to get started, you may want to hire a digital marketing strategy consultant. You can hire someone in-house if you want a person in the office, and if you're willing to invest in a salary, benefits, equipment, training, and tools. But a more cost-effective option would be to outsource your strategy to an agency or freelancer that has experience in your industry. Do you know what to expect if you hire an outside digital marketing consultant? If not, I'll tell you now. What is a digital marketing consultant? A digital marketing consultant is someone who handles part or all of your digital marketing strategy. The day-to-day of a marketer's job varies from business to business, since every company has different needs. One business may only need help with their SEO and social media, while another needs a full-service agency to cover all of their marketing needs. It all depends on your specific situation. Even though the specific marketing areas a consultant handles may vary, there are some tasks they'll do or should do no matter what. This includes staying on top of updates to different digital marketing channels like Google algorithm updates or new social media features, researching your business, industry, and competitors for insights, analyzing your audience and what they do online, putting together new strategies, testing different parts of your campaigns to see which tactics get the best results, monitoring and reporting on your campaign performance. Monitoring and reporting is especially important because the data from your past and current campaigns should help you guide anything you do in the future. If you hire a digital marketing consultant, they should present this information free from jargon and any confusing details. No unexplained acronyms allowed. Basically, your hire should make it easier for you to succeed with digital marketing. There's no shame in asking for proof of past work or looking into reviews before hiring someone to handle your strategy. You don't want to invest in a marketer or agency that costs more money than they make. WebFX just so happens to be an agency that's generated more than 6 million leads and over $2 billion in revenue for our clients. So we'd be happy to hear from you if you want to hire a digital marketing team. And that's it for this video on digital marketing. To continue growing your marketing skills, subscribe to our YouTube channel and sign up for Revenue Weekly, our email newsletter. You don't want to skip the valuable insights from our team. Happy marketing!